When you listen to music, let's say when it's played half of the way, I press the stop button and I hold it, and I forbid you to turn it back on. Why would you do that? I just want to. What would you do now? If you love the song, you're probably gonna start humming. And maybe you're gonna guess the next note and sing something that's completely made by you. So what you're actually doing here is that you analyze the past information that's fed to you and predict what's gonna happen next. And this is the fundamental logic behind neural network. It's similar to human brain. And how is it achieved? Neural network model consists of stacks of layers, sequentially the input layer, hidden layers, and output layer. As the name implies, the input layer is the input data, such as prompts and historical data. The output layer is the model prediction, such as today's Bitcoin price. Hidden layers are the brain of the model. It is made up of hidden units. Each hidden unit has their own weight, which stores what the model learned from the data. Every time the model is trained, the model will update the weight to improve the prediction accuracy. To have the model learn sequential pattern in the data, the model will retain memory from previous inputs for learning. This is why it's called recurrent neural network. So how can we use this to predict Bitcoin price? The first step is we feed the data. We include basic open, high, low, close price of BTC. As is similar to human brain, let's also feed inside trend, momentum, and volatility indicators like the volume, RSI, Bollinger Bands, price spread, MACD, 21-day SMA, and volatility, as well as OBV. After that, we pass the data to the model like what's demonstrated in this graph. Day 1 to day 30's data as features, and day 31's price as a learning target. This is called supervised learning, where the model will figure out itself the correlation between the features and target. After that, we'll go for day 2 to day 31's data, and then day 3 to day 32's data, and so on until we're reaching the end of the training data set. We will train the model 10 times. Every time it will update its hidden units weights to improve its prediction accuracy. You can see the loss in the prediction is lower and lower, meaning the predicted price is getting closer to the actual price along with more training. You can see the predictions are pretty in line with the actual BTC price, almost too in line. We call this overfitting. Yes, this is something wrong in the prediction, and we will reveal it in our next video. Stay tuned, stay degen.